Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi Q5 front bumper. Start by parking safely and disconnecting the battery negative terminal to avoid sensor faults. Remove wheel well fasteners, then undo lower screws and trim clips with a trim tool. Carefully unclip fog light harnesses and parking sensor connectors with gentle pressure. Keep bolts organized by location and inspect clips for damage before reassembly to ensure proper alignment. Remove the wheel well liners to reach hidden bumper fasteners. Turn wheels for better access. Use a trim tool to pop out plastic clips gently to avoid breakage and collect them in a parts tray. With a 10 mm socket, remove the lower bumper bolts, keeping track of each bolt's position. Check the bumper edge for adhesive spots and soft clips before attempting full removal to prevent tearing paint or panels. Once fasteners are out, gently pull bumper sides outward to access sensor and fog lamp connectors. Depress each locking tab with a small flat tool and slide connectors free, labeling them when necessary to simplify reinstallation. Inspect connector seals for dirt or corrosion and clean gently if needed. Set the bumper on a padded surface to prevent scratches while you work on sensors or alignment clips before reattaching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.